Today I wanted to create a video for you guys that shows you my cozy zone for when I practice yoga at home. Today we're starting off with a snippet of what my entire space looks like, and it includes my television, my fresh real plants, fake plants, candles, and my bookshelf that I turned into a TV stand. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's get started on all the details. First, let's talk about my television. I love my TV. It's a Samsung Q series, and I purchased it mostly because of the setting, as you can see now. It allows you to switch on an ambient setting, creating any picture and choosing from any option that you like. Today, I chose a beautiful island that is colorful and vibrant, creating a space that allows me to take myself out of my living room and into a beautiful island. It really opens up my mind and allows me to create a place of calm. We're going to move on to talk about my mat and my Bible and my tea. The Bible I use is She Reads Truth, and I will have that linked below in the description box. I got this journal as a gift from my fiance, and I absolutely love writing in it. And the teacup I got from Target, and I always drink from Yogi tea. I love this cup because it is tropical and it has a letter I on it, and I never usually can find anything with a letter I on it. My tea I love because it's yogi tea and it always has an inspirational quote. Now we're going to move on to talk about this bookshelf that I turned into a TV stand. I really got this idea from Pinterest, and I thought it would be a very inspirational space that I could really tap into, get rid of some clutter, and place all the books that I want to access quickly, and put some reminders around that will really help me stay focused and keep going as I practice on my mat from the comfort of my home. Let's talk about my Be More Sloth corner. This is where I store all my yogi tea quotes, and I love having this here so that I can quickly grab one when I need to set an intention for my practice. This one that I grabbed says, "Your greatest strength is to love." I absolutely love having this little fake green plant to remind me to stay green and healthy and happy. We'll move on to my candle that my mom gave me as a birthday gift and housewarming. It was handmade in India, and it's a gentle reminder of that my mom named me after women in India because of their beauty. This candle not only represents light and love, but also reminds me of why my mom's named me after these beautiful women who are creative and full of light. I am so grateful for this piece, and that is why it's at the center of my 6 square. Next, we will talk about a house full of love. I got this little sign from the dollar store, and I wanted it here as a reminder for me and my fiance to stay loving to one another. I also have a book by Joanna Gaines called Homebody, which helps you stay peaceful and create a home that is calm. I have this mango beet that my friend bought me from this gift shop that was made by artisans who are from Africa. At the center, I can place my phone there and it will illuminate the sound, and I'm really grateful for this because it doesn't need to be charged. Here, this is my favorite little corner. These are the first pieces that were put in my home when I moved here from Lansing. The salt lamp is a reminder of my home studio, Salt Yoga. I no longer am teaching there because I no longer live in Lansing, but I absolutely love this space, and I brought a little piece of salt in my apartment. Pray, trust, wait was the mantra that I needed to remember when I first moved here because it took me about a month to secure the job that I applied for. And I bought this apartment and got settled way before I got the acceptance of that job. So this is just a little reminder of my first beginnings moving to Grand Rapids. Next, we'll talk about the second center of my 6 square, which is my books of knowledge and books that I like to grab quickly. As a yoga teacher, I like to always come back to these books: Yoga Anatomy, Teaching Yoga, The Language of Yin, because that's my favorite style of teaching, and it gives me quick inspiration. And the books at the top are just different lessons that I like to remember and get to quickly. A few books that I love is Enjoy Your Journey by Joyce Meyer, and a lot of my inspirational quotes from class come from here. When I need an extra boost, this is the corner that I come to grab inspiration and knowledge. Next, we'll come to this sweet little corner of love. This is our love box that our marriage counselor suggested we have. When I open it up, it's all of my love notes and love quotes that Tevin written me and beautiful cards that I got on my birthday. And of course, as you can see, a picture of our married friends and me and Tevin. This is my little corner of zen and creativity. As you can see here, I also have some fresh live plants that are sat at the corner to let the bright light shine in on them, and I like to have them at the center so that I remember to water them, because sometimes I honestly just forget. Yeah, I like to have these real plants in combination with fake plants to just be mindful to stay vibrant, real, authentic, and lively. This is my little zen corner. I hope you enjoyed today's video.